Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Logan if this is your first time here, and today I'm going to be doing the Lights Lacquer Advent Calendar. And if you guys don't know what Lights Lacquer is, it is Kathleen Light's nail polish company. So if you want to see what is in this Advent Calendar, then just keep watching. So this is what the package looks like. It's packaged really nicely and thin. So it has tissue paper around it and, ooh. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's packaged so nicely. And then it has on the back, it says the ultimate holiday countdown, another day, another lacquer surprise. This advent calendar contains 12 days of brand new, never before seen products. Perfect for gifting. This entire calendar features completely vegan products and, as always, cruelty and 7 free. Ring in the new year with your lacquer faves and tune in to our daily lives for community unboxing with Kathleen. That is really cute, and I think I'm going to put this in my room because it's really cute. So it's just tied really nicely, and then you open it up, and this is so cute. I'm really excited for this. Okay, so we're gonna start off with number 1. I've never done an advent calendar before, so I'm really excited. Oh my gosh, I can't pop it out. Okay, so here is the first, you can't even see. Here is the first nail polish. And it's more like a silver color, and it's in the shade Tinsel Time. So that is what the shade looks like. And then on to number 2. Oh my gosh, I love this color. This is the shade An Oven Mint. And that's what that color looks like. Ooh, I am really excited for that one. That one's really cute. And then on to day number 3. This is really pretty. This is in the shade Holiday Armadillo. Oh, from Friends. This is like a gold with pink in it. It's really pretty. I hope you guys can see the sparkle in it. There. That is really pretty. And then on to day number 4. Ooh, this is another really pretty color. This is in the shade Ugly Sweater, and it's like a purpley color. I really like these. So far, I'm really liking these colors, so I'm really happy with this. I think this box retailed for $70, I want to say. I'm not sure. So that was number 4, and then on to number 5. Oh, we have a clear. That is good. This is in the shade Magic Strengthener. You don't need to see what a clear looks like, but there it is. And then day number 6. This is She's All Matte. I don't like matte fingernail polish, but it's small, so I'll probably just get some use out of it. And then on to day number 7. Looks like a nail file. Whoops. Oh yeah, yep, this is just a nail file. That's just what it looks like. It says, your cuticle. That's cute. And then on the other side it says Lights Lacquer, which is good because I don't really have a good nail file. And then on to day number 8. Oh, these are really cute. These are, if I can get them out, these are nail art stickers. So we have, oh, how cute. So these are pearls, and I think they just stick on. And this one is snowflakes. How cute is that? And then day number 9. Ooh, this is a really pretty color. This is like a light pinky shade. It's in the shade Oh, it's a Nourishing Elixir. Oh, okay. That'll be good. So it's not really nail polish. And then day number 10. Oh, this is cool. This is like a silvery blue color, and this is in the shade Snow Boy. That is really cool. And then day number 11. This is in Got You Cookie. That's a really cute name. It's just like a white, but it's like a cream. It's not necessarily a white. And then on to the last day, day number 12. Oh, this is an interesting color. This is in the shade Buddy. Like Buddy the Elf. That's cute. It's just like it kind of matches my wall a little bit. That is really cute. That is everything in the box. I do wish that there was like a red or like a dark green, but I guess that would be too boring or too predictable. But I really liked this advent calendar. I think it was so cute. I've never tried anything from Lights Lacquer, and I really wanted to get into painting my nails more, so I decided to pick up this advent calendar. So this is really cute. I believe it's sold out, but it was $70, and I think it was well worth it, because I've heard her nail polishes are really good. So that was everything in the box. I really enjoyed doing an advent calendar, so maybe I'll do some more, but that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you like this video and also hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. And also let me know if you guys want to see any videos in the comments below, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.